Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do the FreeFire Max FPS drop test in the POCO X8 Pro device. So this is a POCO X8 Pro and I'm going to use a real-time FPS meter. And using this, we'll try to see how is the overall FPS is maintaining. And right now, I'm going to use a maximum settings as possible, as you can see. So prepare to select the maximum settings and let's find out what will be the highest FPS you can actually select. Everything has been enabled, as you can see. So completely high FPS I have selected, and now let's start the match and let's see how is the overall FPS going to maintain while doing this testing. And you can see the real-time temperature test as well, 36.8 degrees Celsius right now. We'll try to see how the temperature is also increasing while doing this testing. And since I did get a couple of comments on this FreeFire Max FPS drop test, and it is a video for you all. And we'll try to see the maximum FPS you can play is at 60 FPS in this POCO X8 Pro. So let's see how is the FPS going to maintain right now. And right now we're getting the FPS of like 5960, it's maintaining, not bad. So now look at the overall FPS drop test. So mostly you should be able to get 60 FPS without any kind of issues in the POCO X8 Pro. And I'll try to play the game for a couple of minutes and then we'll try to see overall the gameplay experience, how it's gonna be there. So around 60 FPS you can get easily in this POCO X8 Pro without any kind of issues. So it should not be causing any kind of problem. And temperature is kind of maintaining 36.8 degrees Celsius, 37, 38 degrees Celsius right now. So overall the FPS was able to maintain pretty decent enough, no issues with that, maintaining the FPS, which is pretty good. So overall this is the complete review guys about the FreeFire Max game. You can play it like 60 FPS, the game without any kind of much problem. So meanwhile, signing off, friends, is a quick overall FPS drop test review. So the game is not that much demanding, so FPS was able to maintain pretty stable and consistent. No issues with that. So meanwhile, signing off. Thank you for watching. Until stay tuned. See you in the next video. This is a quick FPS drop test review on the FIFA Max game in the POCO X8 Pro. Until then, stay tuned. Thank you for watching and bye.